Bless you. Are you an Italian cat? Do you love biscotti? You love biscotti? You must. Ma biscotti. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Oh shit. Oh shit, you're fucking doing a stunner on that motherfucker. Holy shit. Did you leave wrestling on before in the TV? Shit. Boom. Oh man, you're crazy. Smile. Done? Oh, sneak attack. Sneak attack. Boom. Oh shit, you fucking... I would not want to be a fucking cookie right now. Ooh, shit. This cat fuck shit up. Kubas!